All right, welcome to What the Heck Did You Do This Weekend? We dug our hole. They want there to be several inches on the perimeter of the pot area. Here's the pot. I'm going to go more for the dirt area because I'm exhausted. I'm 57 years old and healthy. Want to keep it that way, but there you go. So this is the Corinthian pink flowering peach. Okay, and so I am a little disappointed, and I'll tell you why. Because I really need to plant that thing where that cinder block is, because it's supposed to be a privacy. At the moment, if I show you this direction, it's fine, right? I want to actually stop that. Put a curtain in front of that, a street over. But watch what happens when I back up. I don't fall over. Watch it magically move. Now I'm coming back toward my steps. If I sit on the second step, you can see that he is to the left now. How disappointing. Well, I can only hope that he's gonna really spread out up there. I don't know, my friends. I'm not doing this type of things for a living. Trying to get my light back, but there you go. So now we're going to dump the dirt in there and then raise them up. They want this part here to be an inch above the ground here, so you can see I dug deep enough, and that was my goal. So I'll just start shoveling the dirt in there. I'll be getting the roots and stuff. See how much dirt that is. I'll leave the rocks because I like rocks for stability, but I'll keep shucking the roots as I was throwing it there. So that's that, and I'm going to, don't tell my wife. Hopefully she's not listening. I'm going to put the Persynthenia, whatever it's called, that beautiful yellow bush. I'm going to put them right here, as opposed to like 5 feet back that way or 6 feet back that way by the fence. First of all, I don't want to move all this stuff. And hey, after all, listen, it'll cover up that mess, right? That's not the whole point. I'm kidding. But the point being that we are coming in line. We got our pear tree there, rose bush, and we're going to put them right there. That's the goal. Now, what I'm nervous about is there's going to be 2 days where it's going to be 31 or 32 degrees. Is that going to kill these buds? Well, because in theory, these guys were brought from somewhere to down here. And they were growing in a greenhouse or something like this. And now it's outside. Hey, the good news is I got this guy home. He was sticking out my front window. I actually lifted him up, this pot, imagine that, through the front right window, passenger window, and then dragged him to the back of the car. I have a RAV4. There's not a lot of room in a RAV4. If you don't have one, you know what I'm talking about. It's like one of those teaser mini SUVs, I'm calling it anyways. So there you go. All right. As you can see, the sun's going down. I need to get to work. I'm toying with the idea of keeping the Persynthenia in the poly shed. Oh yeah, let's go in there because I have a surprise I didn't tell my lovely one about. She wanted one of these. She said, just hold off on buying it till after Christmas. Oh my goodness. After Easter. You can see it's 60 degrees in here. 60 in here in the poly shed. Look up that episode at Secrets and Designs. I'm going to see. So there you go. I bought her this. I'm going to keep this guy in here. All right. Oh, isn't that lovely? So this is a, let me see if I can read it, Mathilda cottage hydrangea. So they come in various colors. This one here is, in my mind, purple anyways. I don't know where she wants those actually. I'm hoping in the front yard where it can really show off its splendor. I did pick up, as you probably saw in the beginning of the last video, 2 more basils. Got my rosemary's here. They're going to stay in here, and I'll probably bring the other ones out in a couple days when we pulled more off of it and consumed it. All right, this is What the Heck Did You Do this weekend, and this is going to be tagged on to the 3rd video, I think it is, in the series. Thanks for watching. Leave us your comments, and again, questions, comments, complaints, concerns. We'd like to hear from you, just like in the SE Custom Designs. So now what we're doing is several things. This will be a nice backdrop for turning this around and videoing me near the end of the day here. Hopefully it's okay. So we have SE Custom Designs, and we have singing on the porch, worship on the porch, and I'm going to just keep all these series and lists in my main account so that we can continue growing. All right, thanks for watching. Shalom uvachot. Nasalami tot ziens. Tajin. See you later.